students, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is medium, range is 650, concept is parallelism. To understand parallelism question or to solve parallelism question, what we need markers. And what are the markers? All the conjunctions, either two words conjunction, and that is called idioms, such as both and, between and, either or, neither or one word conjunctions such as and, but, or. These are the conjunctions. So the marker of parallelism is conjunction. So while reading, we have to keep in mind that what should be the right entity to go with the parallelism. Okay, so let us understand passage first, and after that we will work on the right entity. It says, in a leveraged buyout, investors borrow huge sums of money to buy companies, and they buy companies and then hoping to pay off the debt by using companies' earnings and to profit richly by later resale of the companies or their divisions. All right, so they hoping to pay and hoping to profit, right? That should be the correct entity. So infinitive, to pay off and to profit richly. So option A is okay. Why option A is okay? Because this is conjunction, word conjunction. So X and Y, right? Option B incorrect. Why incorrect? Because hoping to pay off and hoping to profit richly by later resale. This is the real concern. So option B out, option C out, and option D out. Why option D out? Because intention of option D is what? It says hoping to pay off the debt by with the company's earnings profiting richly by later resale of the companies or their division. So look here, there is no conjunction. What if there is conjunction yet it will not be correct one? Why? Because hoping to pay and hoping to profit, that is the intention of the passage. So option D out. Option E, to profit. So we are left with option A and E. Here in option A, by using company's earnings, same sentence can be written with company's earning. So using is exaggeration, it is wordy, so we can eliminate option A. E remains best option. Remember, the best option should fulfill three parameters: one, intended meaning; second, based on formal writing grammar; and third, it should be concise, and that is E. So option E is the best option.